Good afternoon. This is Matt here. Hey, I wanted to show you real quick how to that page and add an admin. So you're going to log into your regular Facebook. This is my Facebook, and then you're going to click over here on the F. Make sure you're doing it from either a desktop or a laptop. It's easier. Once you click on the F, you can look right here for pages. So click on that, and then you'll see the pages that you manage. So I clicked on Arrow Security. This is the page that you manage. And if you scroll all the way down on the left, click on Settings, and right here towards the bottom, you'll see, or without scrolling, you'll see where it says Page Roles. As an icon of a person. Click on that. When you scroll down here, you'll see the people that are currently admins. Now you can add another person just by typing in their names, like Joe Schmo, if there was a guy named Joe Schmo. And then you can go right here and choose what level you want them to be. You and I are both admins, which means we can do everything on there. And you can make them a moderator if you just wanted them to like write posts or whatever. Or if you wanted them to do your advertising, you just make them an advertiser. But most people will either be an editor or an admin, and I suspect you're probably looking for an admin to join that. You'll click on Add. It'll ask you for your password for your regular account. So in this case here, if I did, it would want my password for Matthew Johnson. So it'll be yours, and you'll put that in. Your password will go through. The other person will get a request saying that you've invited them to be an admin, and they'll have to click on that and approve it. And once that is done, they're all set. They're in here. If at any time you don't want them in there, you can just click on, like if that's the person, you click on that, and you can click here and change their role, or you can remove them. Now, if you wanted to remove me, you could. I wouldn't recommend it because I've been helping a lot, but you could if you wanted to, and that's okay. And this is your account, remember, so like you're always going to be an admin on here. I'm never going to screw with that. But that's it. So again, real quick, you type the person's name that's up here, and then you click on either editor or admin, whatever role that you're assigning to them. And then you click on Add, you put your password in, and then click Send, and you'll be all set. So I hope that helps. You have a good day. Bye-bye.